Hello Brave, so today a short video on how to make PI. Today we'll cover the P2 to P3 transformation. For this you will need a planet. Basically the best one is a barren planet. And the setup you will need is one barren command center. I've got upgrade to level 4, so you upgrade it to level 4. Then you will go and pick one storage, 3 launch pads, and then you will pick the advanced industry facility, like this ones. You'll put as many as you want, as many as you can, due to the power grid and CPU. When you've put them, you will link them with this link, create link, click, click, click. You will link everything as you can, and then you will pick the product you will want to make. So for this planet I've got transcranial microcontrollers P3, which I want to produce, and I will need, as you see, 10 biocells and 10 nanites for it, which is T2. So you can either make them, but what is faster way, I usually buy them from buybacks. So as you see in my cargo here, I bought 6,666 of each, because these launch pads can take 6,666 of each. And as you see, these production facilities here, they will take 10 of each, produce 3. If you look on the values, 10 of this is worth 70,000, 10 of this is worth 50,000, that's 120,000 in inputs into one round, one cycle, which takes 1 hour. We've got many more facilities like this, but 120,000 input will give you 3 controllers, which are about 170,000 ISK at the moment. So that is 50,000 every hour for every facility, and in very short time, like 24 hours, you can get 105 million ISK just by loading these 2 babies and unloading here, taking it to your epithel and basically selling it on the market. So the basics are very simple. I've loaded this factory yesterday. One was here, one was here. I got outputs which are basically here, 2100 worth, 135 million ISK. And today we'll need to restart these. So what I'm gonna do is warp to the planet, to the office. So as you see, these were worth basically 85 million, so they will be worth 135 million. Basically do is that you take the ones that you have in a cargo, put them into the orbital customs office, then select this launch pad, which is used for storing nanites, and you'll have to fill it. Select the other one, it is Ki, so I will select Ki, nanites into Ki there, and the factories are reset basically now. So you will get an hour 3 for 1, and we have 4, 6, 9, 18 times 3, which is a lot. So the part 2 of this tutorial is to show you what P3 is for. It is for Planetary Production 4. For example, here, as we in the first part have seen that we produced microcontrollers, which are these parts. I've chosen recursive computing module something P4, which is one of 8 P4s in game. And these ones are needed basically for building citadel structures, anything related to those stuff, faction, capital stuff. And they make even more money than P3. In general, the setup of the planet is very simple. You can produce this on barren planets, any barren planet. You will set up a command center, level 4 upgrade, and then you will select one storage facility and 3 launch pads. Also, for different kinds of P4 you will need different kinds of setups, but general use is if you have 3 inputs, you will get 3 launch pads. It's as simple as that, because into one launch pad we'll just select, as we saw in P3 with P2 inputs. So you will select here, for example, synapses. This one will get the microcontrollers, and this one will be fed here with the guidance systems. And you can put like 600 of P3 into one of these, 600 here, 600 here. Those will produce daily 200 of P4. So you need 6 of these, 6 of these, 6 of these, produces one cycle of this. It's easy profit. Basically, if you have like here 8 setups, that produces 8 units per hour times 24, do the math. So easy as that.